Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to delete your X account or Twitter account. Open your Twitter account. In your home page, you can see a person icon or profile icon on your top left corner. Click on it. Click on Setting and Support. There you can see the option Setting and Privacy. Click on it. The next step is click on your account. Click on Deactivate Account. There you can see at the bottom in the red highlighted Deactivate Account. Click on it. Then type your password. After typing your password, click on Deactivate. Click on Yes, Deactivate. To delete your account permanently, don't open your account for 30 days, then your account will be deleted permanently. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our channel.